Alrighty, everyone, we're going to watch the clock here. This is Unit 1, Section 5, page 17. If you don't understand what I'm saying, you can always read that QR code, just scan it right there, and the genius who made these worksheets will explain it to you also. So polynomials are expressions. Where's a polynomial? There's a polynomial. Are expressions that are mainly combinations of terms with both addition and subtraction that can have only constants and positive integer powers. Whoa. Let's not skip over that. Positive integer powers. That means that right there has to be positive, can't be negative, otherwise it's not a polynomial. So not poly would be something like 3x to the negative 4, also known as 3 over x to the 4th. Got it? Okay, they're usually just extension of our base 10 number system. No. Well, it says truly. I mean, I don't know where he's going there. I know this example is pretty neat. So what's the value of this polynomial when x equals 10? That means plug 10 in everywhere. I'm not going to do that. I mean, it says without the use of your calculator. So let me see. 2 times 10 cubed. Okay, we know what 10 cubed is, right? That's a 10 with 3 zeros. That's a 2 times a 1 with 3 zeros. Doink. Okay, there we go. Doinky, 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 doinky. 1, 2, 3. Now that's 2,000. Plus, and then 5 times 10 squared is 500. Plus, 3 times 10 is 30. Plus, 4 times x to the 0. Let me see. That's 10 to the 0, which is just 1. 4 times 1 is 4. So now you see, this is 2,534. That's why it's kind of neat. That's why it's like a base 10 extension, okay? Because we're multiplying everything by 10 there. Okay, we've already reviewed how to multiply a polynomial by a monomial. That's something with 1. Now, what happens when we do a polynomial times another polynomial? Oh, so there's a couple ways to do this. We can use the FOIL method. Rainbow, oink, oink, doink, doink. What am I doing? I'm doing 3x times 2x plus 5. Then I am adding onto it, add, positive 2, plus 2 times 2x plus 5. Yes, I can write that down twice. And I'm going to show you way over here how to do it there. So that is 6x squared. That is 15x. Let me rewrite that. I know there's a lot to cover, so I'm trying to make this within 10 minutes. Then when we do this one over here, it's 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times 5 is 10. Combine like terms. If you did it right, it's just the Chewy center. 6x squared plus 19x plus 10. By the way, these have to be in standard form to have that happen, to have it go in Chewy centers. Just combine the centers. So here, we wrote 2x plus 5 on top, and we wrote 3x plus 2 on the side, and this goes in here. The 2x times the 3x is a 6x, and then the 3x times the 5 is a 15x. Then the 2x times the 2 goes in there. That's a 4x. And a 2 times the 5 goes in here, which is a 10. So if we did it right, we just have to combine those, and we get exactly the same answer. Oh, bummer. Forgot the square there. Sorry about that. 6x squared plus 19x plus 10. Same answer. Exercise 3. Find the product of the binomial 4x plus 3 times the trinomial. Pause. Now I can see it. 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. Represent your product using an area array, which we just did, even though the result has an x cubed in the term, the area array, which we just used, the area model, can still help us keep track of how many products we need. Okay, so it doesn't matter which one goes on the left, which one goes on the top. Some of the times you may have been taught to go on the bottom, okay? So let me see. We have, I'm going to do 4x plus 3, just because there's not very much room going up and down, but there's lots of room left and right. Zoom. The 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 goes right in there. Follow the flower. 4x times 2x squared is 8x cubed. Then we do 4x times negative 5x is negative 20x squared. Four x times negative 3 is negative 12x. 3 times 2x squared goes right there. 6x squared. 3 times negative 5x is negative 15x. And lastly, negative 3 times positive 3 is negative 9. And we write down our answer. (8x cubed), there's nothing to combine with it. 8x cubed, diagonals, minus 14x squared, diagonals, minus 27x. Oh, no diagonal with that, minus 9. Let's take a look at the next page. Let's say we looked at the next page, and that's going to be tomorrow night's homework, because I don't want to go too much longer than 10 minutes. So this is Mr. Bryce saying see you in class. Remember, if you have any questions, just ask. Bye-bye.